Hey guys, Rick from Sonance here, back with another video. In this video, I show you how to make this high-note kind of style bass. The final result will sound like this. So if you want a preset right away, make sure to check Bass House 4 and 3 down below. You will find those presets in the pack, and besides that, you will find 45 more other presets in the style of Bass House, Confession, Tag House, you name it. So now let's dive into the preset. It sounds something like this. So select in the preset. Name of the filter first. For us the A, we're gonna use the sine wave. Lower down one octave. And it will sound something like this. Then enable oscillator B. Go to digital. And select the prime wave table. Wavetable position around here. Lower down one octave. So we're gonna use this oscillator for the ring modulation of oscillator B. So first, shape envelope 2. Something like this. Lower down the sustain and put a decay bit. Route to the level of oscillator B, so you will get a little more grittier sound. And that's like ring modulation from oscillator B. And route envelope 2 to it. It will give this effect. It's a bit too much, so around here sounds fine. Then shape that filter. We're gonna use the low 12 cutoff around here. Route envelope 2 to it. Just like this. And now bring out the sound by putting on the drive all the way up. So this distorts quite a bit, so lower down the master. Put out the fatness as well. That's the mono legato always. Put the window up. Then go to the sub. Select direct out. So you'll get a clean sine wave and put the level all the way up. Then go to the effects. Select the tube distortion. Drive around here. So that's a bit too much distortion. So lower down the mix to around here. So then go to the ODT and bring the threshold down to around here. Brings a bit too much highs out, so just like this. And then EQ the sound. By cutting out a bit of highs and boosting the mid-lows around here. Boost it with the envelope. It's a bit too much compression, so put the threshold a bit up. Besides that, I want to bring down the level of oscillator A a bit down and give it a little bit more cutoff. Then the last thing we're going to do is give more punch. So lower down the decay to around 22. Go to the matrix. Select source, envelope 3, and destination, the master pitch. As you can hear, this will give some more punch. So around here. And then what we have done in the track is automate the pitch bands of the synth. So you will get this effect. And that's already it. So if you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. And I see you all in the next videos.